Quinn, what do you see, buddy? See some ducks? What else do you see? Geese? You see some geese? Geese. Do you see any swans? Swans. Swans. Oh, what's that? What's that? What is that? You know what that is. What is it? What kind of bird is that? Pigeons. You see a roo? Where's the kangaroo? It was way in the back, wasn't it? Did you hear the geese? Yeah.
There's a boat. A little boat? Yeah.
Must be a little boat in a little pond. Must be a little boat in a little pond. You see the geese? How many geese do you see? Ducks. How many geese are there, Quinn? Should we count the geese? How many geese do you see? Oh, that's a funny looking duck, isn't it? That's a different duck. It's not a mallard. Whoa. So many birds. Whoa. What do you see, Quinn? Psst, 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 psst. What do you see, bud? Some ducks? See ducks? Swans. You see swans? Sorry. I wasn't listening. Whoa. What do you see? Do you have your hood up?
It's chilly.
And you're out. Yes. You're out. You're gonna go in the pool?
Yeah.
Oh, you think so, do you? Who are you going in with? Who are you going in with? Where are you going, buddy? See the swan, Quinn? Is that a big bird?
Stay dry. Get in the water. Yeah.
Quinn, look at that swan. It's a big one. What do you see? Well, yeah, we're not going to go in yet, right, though. Oh, you want to hold the swans? He's coming. Too bad we don't have any old bread. All we have is some fresh new bread. Swans don't like new bread. They only like stale bread. Quinn, look at this swan. He's right here. Just hanging out. He came to see you. He came to say hello. See that swan? Look at these guys. They're just right here. It's as if all the people feed these birds all the time. You see the duck?